So, when I first started making content on LinkedIn years ago, I had tons of people in my life tell me that I should be making content that I personally would want to watch myself. And to be honest, I read a lot of articles and I saw a lot of videos that had similar advice, so I thought it was pretty spot on. I mean, I thought to myself, if I like this, other people must like it, right? And I guess you could say that I was kind of half right and half wrong. So that vibe definitely, it didn't not work, if you will. I wasn't getting bad engagement. I wasn't getting bad reach. I wasn't getting bad leads, but I feel like it wasn't at the point that I'd personally like. And it was a little frustrating because I didn't understand fully why I wasn't generating more awareness and buzz and leads and all the good stuff on LinkedIn. I mean, I thought my content was really good because it was content that I personally would watch and engage with myself until I had this one realization that I was kind of not going in the right direction. I realized that the content I like is not the same content that my ideal customer would like. See, it's a little bit different. Basically, I want to target my ideal potential customers so that way they can hopefully become, actual customers. So I had a little bit of a mindset shift. I changed my content up. Basically, I did a whole 180, if you will. And I started making content that I knew my ideal customer would absolutely love. I thought to myself, what are my ideal customers struggling with? And what can I do to help them? Once I changed that routine in my social media plan, my engagement literally, I think it quadrupled. I was getting so much more website traffic. I was getting a ton more calls booked. My leads were going up substantially and I was very happy. The only thing I wasn't so happy with was how long it took me to get to that realization. So if you're in a similar boat, I want you to think of this. What are your ideal customers struggling with, and what would your ideal customers want to see on social media, and make content around that theme? Does your ideal customer struggle with confidence? Make content about how to be confident. Does your ideal customer struggle with finding cute outfits? Make content about finding cute outfits. See? That's all you gotta do, my friends. I promise you, it may seem a little bit overwhelming at the beginning, but once you get the hang of it, you will get there. Now, to rewind a little bit, you may be thinking to yourself, okay, all this advice sounds amazing, but I don't know what my ideal customers are struggling with. Well, my friend, simply ask them. Do a few posts on your social media asking what they're struggling with or what they'd like to see more from you. The answers may very pleasantly surprise you because in your head you may think, oh, this isn't really something that people make content about. I'm not sure if it would resonate. But if enough people are asking, clearly there is a demand. And I do this personally, and it really helps me come up with content ideas. And I highly recommend you give it a try, see what happens. Worst case, no one responds, and that's more than okay. There's always the opportunity for one person to leave you a comment that could literally change your ideal comment lifecycle. So I hope this video was helpful. Again, the key takeaway is try to stay away from content that you personally like and try to make content that your ideal customers and clients really need and want from you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions or comments, don't be shy to connect. I'll be more than happy to support you any way I can.